Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to split a transaction in YNAB. Alright, so first up, you're going to log into your account. Now go ahead and select the account right here, or the cash, savings, debt account that you got the transaction where you wanted to split. For example, under here, under my wallet, okay? Let's say I wanted to split this one right here. Payee is PLDT, category, bills, TV, phone, and internet. So just click on it. Now click on it once more. Okay, so you can access the editing options. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to category, click on the drop down, and you'll be able to find the split option. Right? So what you'll do is just click on it. Now the top line right here is the total inflow or outflow amount. And all the lines that follow, what you'll do is just go ahead and select the appropriate category for each portion of the transaction and enter the specific amount of that category. Okay, so category may be just utilities. And the second one right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in TV or phone as well. Add in some memo if you want to. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 20 right here and 20 for the other. So the amount remaining, okay, to assign is 0. Just basically continue adding lines until the amount remaining to assign right here will state 0, or the value will be 0. And once that's done, just click on save right here and you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.